Hello, this is Michael Redmond, and our GT Tech Challenge project is comedy. My acquaintance Luke is not here right now, so I will be presenting this on my own. So, our essential question is, how does comedy affect the average human? And to first understand this, we must understand several things. One is why we laugh. Why we laugh is because when we hear the punchline of a joke, our brain reacts by sending an electrical charge throughout our brains that hits a nerve, most likely in the cerebral cortex, causing us to laugh. Comedy and our mood. Comedy essentially lightens and brightens our mood, or at least for short term. This is shown through several studies, one of which is researchers at Westchester University discovered that students with a sense of humor used it as a sort of coping device and were more likely to be in a positive attitude. How people look at comedy. Have you ever said a joke that a lot of people laugh at, but there's at least one person who sits there not laughing? The reason why this happens is because some people are more sensitive to comedy and others have brains that are not as sensitive. Now, the ups and downs of comedy and how it affects our behavior. A ton of people think that comedy only does good and makes everyone feel better, but that would be not true because studies have shown that people who are more or trying to be funny have more of a chance of getting in trouble than serious ones or serious people. It's also a common fable or tale or whatever you want to call it, rumor, that humor helps health, and that is not true. It may reduce stress, which enhances illnesses for at least a short term, but that is the only way it could be connected to health. Okay, so here's the fun part of this presentation. What material is funny? There are lots of different types of comedy, but here are a few, and some of you may have heard of. Irony, parody, satire, farce, and anecdotes. We've prepared a short video for you that is satire comedy, we think, and so here we go. Alright, so we hope you thought that funny, and this is our answer to our essential question. So, how does the comedy affect the average person? Because of the research shown, we cannot conclude that there is one single definitive answer, but may conclude that it depends on the person you are questioning. Thank you for your time, and before you go, try to be funny. This is our bibliography, and thanks to Screencast-O-Matic, Prezi.com, and Windows Movie Maker.